Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Luno. Now the first step I'd like you to take is to tap the Luno app icon in your app drawer on your phone. Enter your email address and password, then tap login if you're not already logged in. Enter your PIN or use your fingerprint or face unlock to access your account. Before buying Bitcoin, you need money in your Luno local currency wallet like NGN, ZAR, or EUR. How do you do that? Just go ahead and tap. So go ahead and tap your wallet tab at the bottom, which is your portfolio, the portfolio tabs. Once you have set up your crypto wallet, that's your fiat currency wallet, which can be set up once you have verified your account. So I have not verified mine because of certain restrictions. But once you have verified your account, then it's not investment. Then once you click on portfolio, you're going to find any local currency wallet that you've set up. So select your local currency wallet. Example, it could be Naira wallet or Euro wallet. So once you tap on it, tap deposit and follow the instructions. Choose your payment method, bank transfer, card, etc. depending on your region. Follow the prompts to complete your deposit. Once the deposit reflects in your wallet, then you're ready to buy. Next thing is to go to the Explore tab at the bottom. Once you tap on Explore at the bottom of the screen, which looks like a compass, under popular cryptos or crypto categories, go ahead and tap on Bitcoin. So like I said, because of some restrictions, I'm not able to buy a coin or to do anything. But once you click on what would you like to do and you select buy a coin, you have to complete your profile and you have to set this up. Once this has been set up and you select buy a coin, then you'll be able to see a couple of coins. Just go ahead and tap Bitcoin, or you can come to this page at the front page, homepage, and select Bitcoin from the options. Once you select this, then you're going to see the buy button. Select buy. Now, once you tap on buy, you'll be asked how much you want to buy. So you can enter a specific amount in your local currency or toggle to enter the amount in BTC directly. Choose wallet as your payment method. This uses the funds you deposited earlier, then tap next. A summary screen will appear showing the amount of Bitcoin you're buying, the current exchange rate, fees. Now, Luno typically charges around 1% depending on your region, the total cost in your local currency. Now, double check everything, then tap confirm. Enter your PIN or use biometric verification to authorize the transaction. You'll see a confirmation message in the receipt screen. Tap done. Go back to the wallet tab or the portfolio tab. In this case, tap on the Bitcoin wallet to see your newly purchased BTC. You can also track its value in real time. And that's it. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.